Welcome to my channel. This video is about New Year's Eve in Boracay, Philippines. Boracay Island in the Philippines is a beautiful resort, located in the Visayas Islands. Here, the clear waters and white sand beaches are spectacular. Especially famous is the White Beach, whose fine sand is like powder. Boracay is a world-famous beach, ideal for snorkeling and sunbathing. If the video is good, please subscribe, like and share, as it will encourage me. So let's go!
Let's go to Boracay. Doon tayo maglunod.
To avoid crowds, the flight is early in the morning. The flight from Manila to Boracay takes about 50 minutes. The weather looks a bit bad. I pray for good weather. After exiting the airport, visitors pay island entry tax, etc. here. I am paying at the hotel and will take the bus directly to the port. Various taxes, airport to port, boat, port to hotel, all included about 1,000 pesos. It takes about 10 minutes from the airport to the port. Here I wait for the ship to depart. Boracay Island is about 5 minutes away.
Welcome to Boracay. Sa Ilocamo, ibig sabihin, welcome to Boracay.
It takes about 20 minutes from the port to the hotel. This time the hotel is Henan Prime Beach.
Good morning, guys. Hello. Welcome to Boracay.
I had about 5 hours before check-in, so I went for a walk on the beach. A little late breakfast. The weather seems to be getting better. They make it well, don't they?
Hi guys! Ito ang room natin. Let's go! Wow! Charan! Yan, may bed. May bed tayo. Ang ganda ng bed. Charan! May TV. May ref. Yan, ref. Ref. Charan! Pang coffee. Yan. Ito mga cabinet. Walang laman. Ayun, ito ang hot pot. Okay. Ito ay walang laman. Guys, ito may security box. Tcharan! Yan. Security box. Umbrella pag umulan. At siya. Let's go! Wow! Ganda! Ang ganda! Tcharan! Ang ganda! May bata! Shampoo, conditioner, shower. Ito, blower, guys. Ciao. Okay. Sabon. Toothpaste, toothbrush. Yan.
This is the view from the terrace. After check-in, take a walk on the beach. There are few people on the beach when the sun is shining. The weather was very nice, as if my wish had come true. This beautiful white sand extends about 4 kilometers from Station 1 to Station 3. It is a very nice tropical view. Enjoy the last dinner of 2023. hotel staff also performed a dance. After dinner, it is time to count down. It seems that different hotels have different events. The beach, which had been sparsely populated at noon, gradually began to attract more and more people. Thank you so much for having so many people watch my video in 2023. I look forward to bringing you many more videos in 2024. Everyone, please support me. Thank you for watching.